Hello friends, today we are going to show you the multi-point locking with flush handle into 27mm series. As you can see here, this is typical 27mm series in which multi-point locking with flush handle has been used. Now I am trying to explain you what all components are being used in this. As you can see, this is Cadwell flush handle. Then another component is here is the Eurogrew C channel. This is Eurogrew with the locking. The number of locking points can be increased in this. This is and drive lock pin, and one you can see here is the packer given below the C channel. Hope I am able to explain you. You can see here, this is the packer which is used to as an support from the back side, and packer is used inside the wall. Now I will show you its locking and unlocking. This is its function. Depending upon the outer frame, the locking point, the counter plate is need to be selected. This is its cross-sectional fixing details. Hope you understood the video. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.